Students, welcome back to online class of GK of class 5th. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Here Achal Mittal to take your GK class. Students, as you all know, your 4 classes of GK is over, in which I have given you till page number 20. And I have already taken your revision test first also. So students, now today is your 5th class. I have already mentioned part 5th, means today is your 5th class, and this class I will give you page number 21 and then 22. Okay, come back, come on, take out your book. Open page number 21. Here is your page number 21 and your chapter name is More Work. Your chapter name is More Work. So students, start here. Learn about more jobs and occupations that people do. Read the clues and fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here, students, you have to read the clues and you have to fill the word according to the work. So, here, your first is Suman's grandfather went to the dash O-D-C-A- to buy a new pair of glasses. So, pair of glasses from where they will buy? They will buy from the optician. So here you have to write optician. Students, this clue, only this clue will come, but you will not get any answer clue. Okay, here already you have you got OTC, but it will not come in your exam. So you have to learn full spelling of optician. Okay, so answer is optician. Now next, I hope you all are able to see it. Students, this video you can see at a 480p. Okay, that is the high quality of the video. If you are not able to see it clearly, then in high quality you can see this. Now next, Tina's grandmother is suffering from knee pain. She has to be operated by an orthopedic. Here is surgeon, spelling SURGEON, surgeon. Now third, Gulzar is a famous dash who has written many popular songs. So dash it will come lyricist, जो lyrics लिखते हैं. Okay, songs के जो wordings होते हैं और जिन्हें जो लिखते हैं उन wordings को उनको कहते हैं lyricist, और जो words होते हैं उनको कहते हैं lyrics. Now next, Diya's father work as a dash in the bank as a cashier. Those count cash and give cash to customer, that is cashier. Here he has to be very alert when dealing in cash with the customers. Okay, next, here fifth, Mia is getting married next month. She has ordered her dash to design her wedding dress. Order her designer dress, DESIGNER, spelling of designer DESIGNER. Okay, now sixth, Abhay ran to buy medicines from the pharmacist when his sister fell down. Here is pharmacist. Now seventh, Maya went to be an entrepreneur and set up her own business when she grows up. Spelling of entrepreneur is here ENTRE, entrepreneur, PRENEUR, entrepreneur. Okay, now next, Shasha loved to dance and create her own dance moves. She went to grow up and be a choreographer. Here is choreographer, CHOREOGRAPHER. This is the spelling of choreographer. Now next, ninth, Jamil is inspired by the work of famous dash like MS Hussain and Gemini Roy, artist, famous artist, TIARTISTS. Okay, artists, famous artists. Now 10th, Aman and his friends go to the club on weekends. They like to dance to the music of the disc jockey. Here you can see the picture also, a disc jockey. Here he is disc jockey. So disc, SCJOKEY. This is the spelling of disc jockey. I hope you all get the answer of this chapter. This you have to learn. Okay, screenshot after pausing this video to write all the answers. Now come on, next page. Here, page number 22. Your chapter name is Olympic Pictograms. I have written one question here. Write the name of 9 Olympic Games. So this question you add on this paper. And now start reading here. A pictogram is a pictorial symbol for a word. The Olympic Committee designs new sports pictograms for each Olympic Games. So pictogram is a pictorial symbol of a word. Here is some Olympic Games of 2016 Rio Olympic Games. Can you identify the sports? Here's a pictogram, and this spelling you have to write yourself, otherwise you have to write non-Olympic Games. The first is, here you can see, first is athletics, ATHLETICS. Second, basketball. Third, archery, ARCHERY, archery. Next, swimming, fencing, wrestling, WRESTLING, wrestling. Here, boxing. Eighth, weightlifting, and the ninth is taekwondo. Taekwondo, TAEKVON, WONDO. So this is the spelling of taekwondo. You all are able to see this, I hope so, and you all can take a screenshot to write all the answers. So students, this is the answer of your page number 22, and the chapter name is Olympic Pictograms. So students, it is sufficient for today. In next video I will give you one revision test of page number 14, 15, 16, 17. You all have to prepare that well. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day. I will meet you in next class with your revision test paper.